crayons quit. Please make a picture for me, and this time, can you give me more than 5 colors, please?
Once upon a time, there was a girl named...
Move over.
Excuse me, what did you say to me?
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to the little stubby blue crayon that's in my way.
Wait, what? Did I hear talking coming from a box of crayons?
Well, it's not from that empty pizza box over there. Pizza? What do I know about pizza? I'm just a great crayon. Anna always uses red crayon to color pizzas.
Who's Anna?
She's out on it. And yes, she does all the pizzas. And most pizzas have tomato sauce on them. Tomatoes are red. We know. We get it. You're Anna's favorite crayon. I wouldn't say that she's Anna's favorite. It just happens that she colors a lot of things red. Hearts, strawberries, and fire onions. I wish I could be one of those things. That's imagine. A bright and no one would miss it. She doesn't color everything red. She just means water, rivers, water, oceans, water, lakes, water. We know. We get it. You're also Anna's favorite crayon. But Anna hasn't even used me once this year. I bet it's because she thinks I'm a girl's color. Good thing her sister's around.
I still haven't met this Anna character. Is she around?
I'm not saying I'm Anna the color, but she used me so much that look at me. I used to be 4 inches tall, but now I'm 2. So great. Please don't call me stupid. At least your color stays inside the lines. When Anna uses me, so much of my gorgeous color is wasted outside the lines. She really needs to understand. Well, for the record, when her sister colored, she's much neater. None of my colors outside the lines. She should really try to use humor on the purple. We complement each other very well. Yes, we do complement each other. Poor Blue can't even see over the crayon box anymore. I've offered to sub in for him, but Anna won't let me. I get why she wouldn't let me sub. Because, Blue likes food in green ocean. I would love a green ocean. I love my color and my work. I have no complaints. Anna has had a wonderful coloring things green career so far. I just wanted to help out my friend Blue Crayon. Her wife was feeling the same way. Blue. It's not really remembers him. I think everyone should be respected and called by their own names. It's not that people remember the name, it's just I feel so unseen.
I can see you just fine.
No, you don't understand. She's using me, but why? These are the same colors she's using. Oh, wait. Without a black outline, I can't see you anymore. I'm tired of being used only for snowflakes. It makes me feel empty.
Oh, now I get it.
Beach Cream is mad at me because I get to color puppies and ponies. It's not my fault all those cute things are brown and not beige. Can someone take notice of me? I just need Anna to respect my beautiful color. What does a crayon need to get a little bit sympathy? Oh, Purple, I do feel badly for you. I wish Anna would use them all the exact same amount. It would be a dream.
Okay, let me get this straight. Your crayons, you belong to a girl named Anna. You're grouchy and upset with her. Does that sound right?
Hey, what are you calling grouchy? I'm not grouchy. I'm confident, but more let it know it. Once and for all, I am the color of the sun. Uh-oh, here it comes. Get ready. My lives would be better if they could just
Who are you talking about? Who doesn't get along?
Just wait, you'll see.
Orange and yellow are constantly arguing over who's the color of the sun.
The beginning of the job, the rest of it was crazy. Duncan should step in and solve this problem.
She can save the day.
Our lives would be
My lives would be better if we could just You're not the color of the sun. The sun is orange and everybody knows that. But the water is blue, but I was going to say the water is blue, but that's not true. What's your point? He doesn't have one because he's been used so much. That was just plain rude. No, orange is just plain rude. She needs to go back to calling orange is orange. Get it? Her name is Orange and she calls orange is orange? You're not as funny as me, kid.
Wait, I thought Anna was a kid.
Oh goodness, we need to play closer attention. Silence! No one was speaking to you. How dare you speak to me that way? Didn't you notice you're a prince of royalty? Guards! Guards! Guards? How many times do we have to tell you? There are no guards. You're not royalty. We are crayons. Yes, but I'm gold. And I used to tell pots of gold, pirates treasure, and gold coins. And then I mentioned treasure. All of those things are important things. Do I need to go on? Someone help me calm her down. Okay, on it. Who's it? Orange. Orange who? Orange is my mom's favorite color of the sun. Okay, that was pretty funny.
Is that our call for guards?
Yeah, here. See, we do have guards. Why do you want to be second place? Second place? Yeah, winner. First place is gold, second place is silver, third place is bronze. Okay. Oh, bronze. So good to see you. We haven't seen much of you lately. Get ready, some Olympics are coming up. It's perfect news. Anna will use Megan's color, things for the Olympics, and of course, she will be me. And us. We better get ready. Guards, bring me to the Oh, brother! Is someone going to tell Gold that it's not a chamber, but it's just a crayon box?
Did someone just hear that?
I don't hear anything. Guys, I think it's coming back there. Yes, you're right. Don't look back here. Don't anyone look back here! Oh, I know that voice. It's Peach. Yes, Peach. I have a terrible problem.
What's wrong?
Anna keeps stealing off my paper wrapping, and now I'm naked!
That's awful.
Now I'm too embarrassed to take crayon
You got that right. Someone should tell Anna to stop doing that to Peach.
Your color's still in the crayon box. My color's been removed. Discontinued. Retired. We have to use more space for colors like wisteria. What does that even mean, a common tangerine?
Someone called for a Tom and Tangerine? I'm here.
Just tell these young fellas that back in my
Oh no. Here we go again.
Someone stop him.
I can help. It sounds like you're all upset with Anna and her unequal crayon usage.
Yep, you read my mind. Gotta agree with you. Well, I disagree. I enjoy coloring dragons, crocodiles, leaves, and frogs. And I enjoy coloring bananas, lemons, and the sun. I wouldn't have mentioned that last one if I were you. But it's true. The color of the sun is Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow! Stay calm. Just breathe and ignore yellow. Without me, there would be no pumpkins, no tigers, no basketballs, and the S-U-N, sun.
I think you all need a S-T-O-P. Stop. However, your feelings is normal for crayons, I guess. But instead of complaining, you need to share your feelings with Anna. Maybe things will change.
Yeah, maybe Anna would use me as the color of the sun. I could do the color of water, and I could do the color of pigs.
I would like to color those things too. Tom and Pigs to the rescue.
And I could be the color of tiny little pebbles. But tiny little pebbles are red. Yes, but it's much easier and much faster than coloring elephants. Ooh, I'll color elephants!
Whoa, hold on everybody. If you go changing the things you'll typically color, I think you'll miss the things you're, I think you'll miss coloring the things you're known for.
Yeah, maybe you're right. I will use my legs. Yeah, I know I can play a little. A little? Okay, maybe a lot, but I am pretty fond of elements and items.
I'll go get you some paper and envelopes and you can each write Anna a letter.
Thanks. Maybe we should go have the others write to Anna too.
Whoa, who knew there was so much drama in a simple box of crayons?
Anna, are you done?
Yes.
Let's see. Beautiful. Look at all those colors.
The end.
The Day the Crayons Quit. I hope you enjoyed their performance. I'm incredibly proud of them. Thank you for supporting them and for coming. Thank you, classrooms, for coming and taking a peek at the story. Feel free to take pictures. Make sure you thank people who have come to see you, right? We have some teachers that you also need to thank and some family members. Thank you so much.